Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my January Boxycharm unboxing. There's one product in here that I'm really excited for, so let's get into it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. There is like a base box and like a premium box. I just have the base box. It's $25 a month and you do get 5 full-size products in it every single month. I've been getting it for years. I love it. This month's box is themed Fresh Start, which is nice. We all need a fresh start this year. So I'm actually going to talk about this one product first because I'm going to just get this one out of the way. I'm really glad I read the little description on the card because this could have been a disaster. But this is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. It has apricot, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and it's made with green apple and pineapple. That could have been a disaster. If you guys don't know, I'm allergic to pineapple, so yeah, that would have been a big mess. So I'm not going to be using this today, but this does retail for $25. May be great. Who knows? Not me, because I'm not going to be trying that today. I'm not trying to have my lips swollen. You guys know my lips are already extremely sensitive as it is. Okay, so the next product in the box is this Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. This is what it looks like. It retails for $28. Honestly, I'm surprised that it's so cheap because I feel like pharmacy is pretty expensive. This is what it looks like. I'm going to try it today. By the way, all my reusable like cotton pads are dirty right now, so I'm using a regular one. Please, I always use my reusable ones, okay, but they're all dirty. Alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores and controls oil without stripping the skin. It's ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin. I don't have any of those. My skin is dry, but my pores are really clogged right now, so we're gonna try it anyway. So I can't tell what it smells like, but it kind of smells like when you get a facial, you know, like that, like maybe kind of like eucalyptus a little bit. I don't know. Wow, always whenever I use a toner, I'm like, dude, I just washed my face. It does feel really nice on the skin. It says it also has a blend of salicylic acid, moringa water, papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores. It feels nice. Feels nice and clean. Doesn't feel like it stripped it a little bit. This does say that it is like meant for more oily combination skin, but I have more dry normal skin and it didn't really feel like it stripped it too much of anything, so that's nice. I definitely will keep using that. I've been using another toner recently and I really like it, so I'll definitely incorporate this every so often. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize since I just put on some toner. I'm just taking my Fenty Skin moisturizer. Next product I am so excited for. This is the Violet Voss All of You Forever eyeshadow palette. I love Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes. They have some of my favorites. I feel like they used to be really big, but then I feel like people kind of just like forgot about them, and I still love a lot of their palettes. Their Sweet Violet palette is one of my favorites. So this one is the All of You Forever palette and it retails for $34. This is a new launch. I don't know if this is like specifically in Boxycharms only or like if they're going to be launching it on its own as well. It is so pretty. This is what it looks like, and you guys, I love this. The thing that kind of sucks is that like there's no matte olive shades, which I wish there was at least one, but all the like green olive shades are shimmers. But that's okay. I mean, I still really like this palette. It's a really pretty palette. Go ahead and prime my eyes really quick and then we'll get into the palette. Go ahead and start off with Wishful, this shade right here. It's kind of like a pinky, like mauvey brown color. So I'm just going to take this in my crease, that upwards towards the brow, that out a little bit. I'm probably going to like wing this look out. I'm going to go into Infatuated. It's this shade right here. Again, that's like a little bit more of a darker rosy brown. And probably just do like the same thing. It's probably going to be a little smoky, but I love smoky, so I really like the shades. Like the colors in here, they're really unique shades of brown. I feel like I don't have browns this color. They're a lot like rosy toned browns. Okay, and then I'm going to go into Endless Desire. Actually, I'm just going to go straight into Charmed. It's that darker brown up there. Endless Desire looks really similar to the shade I just used. Well, let me see. I'll add a little bit, but I don't think it's going to do like anything super crazy to this look. Yeah, it kind of looks the same. I could have used like either shade, honestly. I go into Charmed and focus this right here. This is like a nice rich brown. And I'm just going to build this color lightly along like the lash line. Really messily, honestly. I'm not doing anything like super precise. Okay, and then I'm going to go into Infinity, which is the black in the palette. I'm going to take a little bit of this as well. Some more smokiness to this look. I think I'm going to take this just on the like lash line area up here. Just to add some smokiness, you know? I am doing this kind of like messy. I'm not doing anything super like precise or anything. I like the more like messy look when I'm doing something smoky. For my lid, I'm going to go in with All of Me. That's such a cute name. It's this one up here. And I'm going to take this on a brush, see how it goes on. Oh wow, this color is really pretty. I think I'm going to take it on my finger. I feel like my finger might do... There we go. A little bit of like gold in it as well. Looks so pretty on its own, but I feel like if I wet this, like the sparkle will really show up. So let's see. Oh yeah, I love olive eyeshadows. It definitely becomes more metallic, which is what I wanted. Taking my fingers to kind of blend the edges upwards. So I just did this eye really quick. So we're gonna move on to the next product, and this is the Queen Studio Dragon Duo. It is a liquid and pencil eyeliner duo. Retails for $28. I believe this is Queen Herbie, I think that's her name. Her brand. I use the liquid liner on top. Maybe I'll do a little wing. Hope this dries down matte because it looks kind of shiny right now. A quick little line on the lid. I'm going to take the pencil liner and tightline with this. Nice and black, and I don't really have to like do much. I haven't been super into black liner lately, so I think I'm going to go over that color with Charmed. Or not color, over the liner. And kind of just smoke that out. So it's like a little bit more of like a darker brown on the lid. And a little wing with that brown eyeshadow as well. Take that on my inner corner as well. Finish up my lower lash line afterwards. I'm just priming my skin right now. Because we have a complexion product, and this is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. This does have SPF 20 in it. They sent over the shade LG3. Hopefully this matches me. I think I've tried Pure's Tinted Moisturizer before, but I can't remember. This retails for $35, and it says it's a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20. Love tinted moisturizer, so we're just gonna go ahead and apply. Oh, this actually matches pretty nicely. Pretty much has like, I would say light to medium coverage, which I like. So like this makes your skin look super glowy. I'm usually not like a huge fan of glowy like foundation or anything, but I feel like this one actually looks really pretty. It's pretty nice on the skin too. It doesn't feel like heavy or anything. So far so good. I'll go ahead and apply like my concealer and all that good stuff. So I'll be right back. Before I put on like the rest of my makeup, I just put on my Colourpop Concealer. And I just want to say my complexion looks so nice. I really like how this looks. It gave like a decent amount of coverage. It's like I said, it's like more light to medium coverage, but like once I just added some concealer under my eyes, I feel like my whole like complexion looks really nice. Hey, I forgot where I left off in the last part of the video because I just like started doing my makeup and then I got distracted on my phone and I was like, oh my god, I literally forgot I was filming. But anyways, this is the finished look. I just went ahead and put on bronzer, blush. I finished up the lower lash lines, added Endless Desire and Charmed to the lower lash line, and that was pretty much it. I just put on lashes and called it a day. My lips, I'm wearing the Huda Beauty last night lipstick. I felt like it went really nice with this look. Let me add everything up to see how much this month's box was worth. So this month's box was worth $150. Overall, I really liked this month's box. I was really happy with everything. I'm excited to keep using this toner. I really like it, even though like it says it's meant for more like combination oily skin. I don't feel like it stripped my skin of any oils or anything, so I definitely feel like I could use this. Maybe not every day. I do like to switch up my toners every so often. I do like to use like a hydrating one, or I have my Glow Recipe one, which I think is also BHA or PHA. I don't remember what it is. I was really happy with this tinted moisturizer. I'm definitely going to keep using it. I really like how it looks. And you know how sometimes, maybe I'm just the only person like this, but when I use a tinted moisturizer and I do like a full face of makeup with it as well, sometimes I just feel like it doesn't look right. Like my eye makeup is a little too heavy for like the tinted moisturizer or something. It doesn't look like that at all, so I'm really happy, and it still feels really nice on the skin. I did like put on some powder like when I baked like on the sides of my nose and a little bit under my eyes, so it did kind of lose some of that glow, but I like a more matte complexion anyway, so it's fine. It's not sticky or anything like where I didn't put powder. It's really nice. I really like it. And again, this is the shade LG3, and I think it matched pretty well. Like it's almost exactly my skin tone. I'm so happy with this palette. I really like the colors in here. I think they were definitely very like unique shades of brown, and I was really happy with it. I still do wish that there was like one like matte olive green at least, but it's okay. The olive shimmers in here, they're like shimmer metallics, and they're so beautiful that I can totally overlook that because I love this one shade that I put on my lid. I think it's so pretty, and the other ones in here are just really stunning as well. This I definitely know I'll get a lot of use out of because I love these tones. The little liner duo is okay. I didn't really care that much for the liquid liner, but the pencil liner I did like, so yeah, it was okay. Not anything like super crazy, but it wasn't bad. I obviously couldn't use this little lip balm, but I'm sure it works fine. I'm sure it's nice. I just personally can't use it because I'm allergic. So overall, really happy with this month's box. What a nice start to the year with Boxycharm. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm yourself, I will leave that link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do use it, I do get like a tiny commission from it, but if not, you don't have to. You guys can just go to boxycharm.com and sign up yourself. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below what you guys got in your box this month. Did you guys get the same stuff that I did? Did you guys get anything different? Anything in this box that you really wanted? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.